Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is making significant strides. But as with any powerful technology, there are both benefits and risks associated with AI. Let's explore some of the key advantages and potential drawbacks of this groundbreaking technology. Part 1. The benefits of AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. It can automate repetitive tasks, improve decision-making, and accelerate scientific discovery. For instance, AI can be used to develop new drugs, enhance cybersecurity, and create more personalized customer experiences. Additionally, AI can help us address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and poverty. Part 2. The risks of AI. While the benefits of AI are vast, there are also significant risks to consider. One major concern is the potential for job displacement, as AI systems become capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans. Another risk is the development of autonomous weapons systems, which could pose a threat to global security. Moreover, there are concerns about bias in AI algorithms, which could perpetuate existing societal inequalities. Part 3. Bias in AI. AI systems are trained on large datasets, and if these datasets contain biases, the AI system will learn to perpetuate those biases. For example, facial recognition technology has been shown to be less accurate for people of color, leading to concerns about racial profiling. Part 4. Job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, it is likely to automate many jobs. While this could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it could also result in widespread job losses. It is important to consider how we can prepare the workforce for an AI-driven future. Part 5. The importance of ethical AI development. To mitigate the risks associated with AI, it is crucial to develop AI systems ethically. This includes ensuring that AI is transparent, accountable, and unbiased. Additionally, we need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to govern the development and use of AI. Conclusion. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to shape our future in profound ways. While the benefits of AI are undeniable, it is essential to address the risks and challenges associated with this technology. By developing AI ethically and responsibly, we can harness its power for the betterment of society.